In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add click to call to Strikingly website. 2025, step by step. By the end, your visitors will be able to tap a button on their phones and instantly open their dialer with your number ready to call, which is perfect for inquiries, bookings, or quick support. First, sign into your Strikingly account and open the site you want to edit. From your site list, click Edit to enter the visual editor. This is where you control your content, sections, and design. Make sure you're editing the correct site if you manage more than one. Next, we'll place a dedicated button on the page. In the editor, click Add Section. From the section library, choose Button or Call to Action. Both options work well, and you can pick the style that fits your layout. After adding it, the new section appears on your page, and you can move it wherever it makes the most sense, like near your header or contact information. You can also adjust colors and size to keep it on brand and easy to spot. Now let's wire the button to trigger a phone call. Click the button in the editor to open its settings. Change the button text to Call Now so visitors clearly understand what happens when they tap it. Then set the link. In the link field, use the special telephone format, tel plus followed by your full phone number in international format with no spaces or symbols. For example, tel plus country code number. Be sure to include the country code so it works reliably for users on different networks, and avoid spaces, parentheses, or dashes, which can break the link. Once you've entered the tel link, save your changes. Here's what you can expect. On a mobile device, tapping the Call Now button opens the phone's dialer with the number pre-filled, so the user only needs to press the call button. On desktop, behavior may vary based on the visitor's system. They might be prompted to choose a calling app like a soft phone or a video calling tool that supports tel links. That's normal and depends on their setup. If the button doesn't open the dialer on a phone, double check the link format and remove any spaces or extra characters. Keep the label short and clear and place the button where it's easy to find. That's it. You logged in, added a button section, set the phone link with the correct tel format, and saved. You now have a clean, professional click-to-call experience that helps visitors reach you faster.